excited to share the updates in the Mechanical Fundamentals application under the assessment area. When an assessment is launched, the user is taken into a 20-question multiple-choice quiz. In the quiz, the user can pick up and manipulate the objects before choosing their final answer. Altogether, there are 98 choices within the database to make up the short quizzes, and each question is selected randomly every time. The quiz needs to be completed in 20 minutes, with a possible score of 100 points, and each question equaling 5 points. When the user is completed with the quiz, they will be given a total score, as well as being able to identify and look at, evaluate the correct answer versus the answer they chose. Excited to see this new addition in the Mechanical Fundamentals.